Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Thank you for joining us today. I really appreciate it. And I thought today, before I start cooking everything, I need to make some buttermilk. And I got to thinking, I haven't shared with you guys how to make homemade buttermilk. Super easy. And I don't know about you, but in the stores here locally, the majority of the stores don't have the whole fat buttermilk. You get the low fat or no fat buttermilk. So I usually just make it at home anyway, except during the holidays when you can get that in our local stores. So let's go ahead and get started. This is super easy, and it's usually stuff you have on hand anyway. All it takes really is just 2 ingredients. You can use the white vinegar, which I have here. I always buy it in a gallon. Or you can use a lemon. And then whole milk. So today I decided I'm going to use the white distilled vinegar. These lemons, by the way, Richard, when we're done with this video, would you link on how to store lemons in your refrigerator? I've had this lemon now for at least a month and a half. If I had not stored it properly, I wouldn't have this lemon right now. So we'll show you how to do that. It's super easy. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on the buttermilk. So all it is you add 1 tablespoon of the white vinegar or the lemon juice to 1 cup of milk. Now today I need 1 3/4 cups of milk, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the 1 tablespoon for each cup, even though it's going to be a little bit less milk. It'll be fine because I'm making homemade fresh mill bread today. So this is 1/8 of a cup. And 1/8 of a cup equals 2 tablespoons. So there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right in here. This is a 2-cup measuring cup. But I'm just going to be pouring in enough of this whole milk to come up to 1 3/4.
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Why do you think stores don't carry the whole fat buttermilk?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Do any stores carry it? I mean, I've never seen any.
I'm sure there are some, like our local co-op probably carries it.
Oh, okay.
You can buy also a powdered type of mix that you can mix up. I believe it's with water. It might be milk to make homemade buttermilk as well. But I found that this is just cheaper and it's stuff I already have on hand. So that's the main reason I've just done it this way. So I don't know if you guys can see here, but this is 1 3/4 of a cup total.
I can see it now that you picked it up.
Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and just stir this up. This needs to set like 5, 10, 15 minutes. Don't worry about it if it sets a little longer. It'll just, curdle a little bit more. So that's all there is to it, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on making my bread, and I'll do a video of that as well. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for joining us. If you've liked and subscribed to our channel already, we really appreciate it. And if you haven't, please consider to do so. We'll talk to you later. Bye.